The last part we discussed on the put away strategies, the basic put away strategies we are discussing in the last class. Like what exactly we discussed, once the product came into the respective warehouse, this is the door. Once the product as in the container and the respective product, how it will be unloaded and how it will be placed in the respective final destination location. So that will be working based on the put away strategies. That will be working based on the put away strategies. So as I told you in the last class, this put away strategies, it will work based on the warehouse level, storage type level and storage section level and the bin level. Okay, normally we will call it storage type, storage section and storage bin. These three levels we will call, okay. Now we will discuss mainly on the storage type level. So the last class also we discussed on the storage type level. So what exactly we discussed? Just I will be taking an overview what exactly we discussed just for your so the last class we discussed on the storage type level itself, where we have storage section control indicator. Storage section control indicator, and this storage section control indicator you are going to assign to the respective storage types. Let me show in my system. GR process strategies storage steps we are discussing this one, okay. Now storage types are sequence for put away. The last class we discussed this one. And in my warehouse is what? RKWH is my warehouse. In my warehouse, I created one storage section control indicator as STQ1. STQ1. And next part is assign storage types to storage section search sequence. And for the search sequence, I assign my storage types. Can you see? RKWH, my search sequence STQ1, I assign some storage types. RK01, RK02, RK03, RK04. Sequence can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this storage has such sequence if you see STQ1. This is very important, okay? I'll give you just a roadmap to understand. STQ1. This is what? Storage type such sequence. This is assigned to what? This is assigned to storage type. RK01, RK02, RK03, RK04 assigned to the 4 storage types. So control indicator assigned to 4 storage types. Now if you go back, we have one more thing that is called put away control indicator. Put away control indicator. Now if I open my warehouse RKWH, put away control indicator is PUT1. Put away control indicator is PUT1. PUT1. And for this put away control indicator, I assigned my storage search sequence. Can you see? My search sequence I assigned to PUT1. PUT1. STQ1 I assigned this one. Now what will happen, guys? Now what will happen? Now we have the product master. means material master in ECC. In EWM we'll call it as product master, which is called material. In this material, I'll open the material for you. What is the T code to open the material, guys? /o/SEWM/mat1. You have to remember the T codes. Here give the material, okay. What are the material we have? Give the material. So this is the material number. Go to display mode. Go to warehouse data. Can you see here, guys, what is there? Put away control indicator, what is there? PUT1. Okay. Now in product master you are maintaining PUT1, which is put away control indicator. Now you are creating an inbound now. You are creating an inbound delivery. You are receiving some inbounds from the vendor. You created PO, the PO with respect to PO you created inbound delivery, and that inbound delivery you distributed to EWM. Okay. Inbound delivery you distributed to EWM. In the EWM system, you have an inbound now. You have an inbound in EWM. Okay. In this inbound, what all materials we have, guys? Respect to materials, what are I maintained? Just think that I have this material. I have material, means which is called product. In this product, just call product, guys, from now onwards. In this product, each and every product we have warehouse data. In warehouse data we have put away control indicator. Now what will happen, guys? If you are creating warehouse task for put away, what will happen now? You tell me now. If you are creating a warehouse task for put away, what will happen now? You are creating a warehouse task for put away to find the destination location. Warehouse task to find the destination location. How system will find? How system will find, guys? First of all, it will take the product from the respect to inbound. It will take the product and it will search for this field, put away control indicator. Now what will happen? Now it will find PUT1. With respect to what master, it will find PUT1. It will find put away control indicator. Now this put away control indicator assigned to what, guys? Now this put away control indicator assigned to what? Storage type search sequence, STQ1.
Storage sequence.
Yes, STQ1. Now this storage search sequence assigned to what, guys?
Storage type.
Storage types. Storage types. Which are what storage types? RK01, RK02, RK03, RK04. Now this is gone in a sequence, right? RK01, RK sequence 1, sequence 2, sequence 3, sequence 4. Now RK01, do we have bins, guys? Storage section, storage bins we have. We have sections bins, right? Storage bins, right? Now it will find one empty bin and it will propose that empty bin for the put away. Easy. In RK01, it will find an empty bin, it will propose that empty bin. If there are no empty bins in RK01, it will propose RK02. If there are no empty bins in RK02, it will propose RK03. If there are no empty bins in RK03, it will propose RK04. Like that, system will propose based on the empty bins. RK01, it will check for the bins. RK02, it will check for the bins. How it will check for the bins, guys? I'll open the monitor now. Monitor transaction, SEWM mon. Here if you go, can you see? Stock and bin. Can you see here? Stock and bin is one option is there to check the bins and all. Storage bin I want to check. Which storage bin in which storage type? I want to check in RK01. In this storage type, what all bins I have, I want to check it. Can you see here? In this storage type, I have all these bins. Can you see RKWH 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 121, 122, 133. Can you see here? This empty indicator will be there. Give me a second. Sorry, can you see here? Empty bin. Can you see? This check mark, can you see? If check mark is there, it means that what guys is empty bin. If check mark is not there, then it's not empty bin. Means in this we have some stock. In this bin we have some stock. It means that empty means it will show this cross mark. System will propose any bin which is not empty. This is the last class we discussed. This is what we discussed in the last class. Right? If you remember correctly. I know you need to practice because of server you are not able to practice. And in the market also, to be frank, okay, there are no good providers in for SAP EWM. That is the reason we have some issues. Let's see, okay, if you don't resolve it by tomorrow, then I will do something else, okay. You can cancel with him and let's do something, okay. Now we can discuss a new thing, okay. In put away control indicator only, a new thing we will discuss here. In put away control indicator, we discussed on these four, and also we discussed on these two other things, if you remember correctly. We discussed on all these things, assignment of control indicator to the put away control indicator, and also assigning of storage types to the search sequence. So all these things we discussed. Along with these things, we also discussed about the specify storage type search sequence for put away. We discussed this one. Now optimize also we discussed. Specify and optimize. Both we discussed. Yes. Now we'll go to specify. Now we'll go to specify. RKWH I am opening. In RKWH, can you see I can see only one entry, guys. With respect to put away control indicator, I can see only one entry, and that was assigned to STQ1. That is assigned to STQ1. Nothing else is there here. Nothing else. Only with respect to put away control indicator it is there. Okay. Now let me create one inbound, guys. This is very important, guys. Concentrate. Let me create one inbound from ECC. Till 31N. Sorry. I'm creating one inbound. Six eight nine five. And to open SEWM PRDI inbound transaction, okay. And here is ERP document I have. So I'm checking with ERP document 6895. 6895, okay. I don't know, my mouse is having some problem. So I don't know what the people are changing. Okay, give me a second. This is a very bad problem. It's like this is a problem in dummy systems. Okay, but in real time we don't feel this issue. But dummy system, lot of things. Good. I don't see any problem here. File size is not distributing. It's wrong. It's wrong. It is not distributed. It is not distributed. Change. Something has been changed. If it is not there. Okay. Sorry.
From delayed date is in the past.
That doesn't matter. queues are not triggering itself, so something is wrong with connections on there. But I don't have access to VD64 something which is which is queue should generate only as I know. The queue should generate, and only in case the destination system has given wrongly, then only the queue will trigger, and but the queue will not be shown anywhere. But in this case, the queue should be shown. Gun 10. Wait. What is this one?